80% black because of this. Pucha. Subaru, why you do this? Welcome back. Happy New Year. Baseline tayo ng BRZ. 2023 BRZ manual transmission. Start it up. Seat belt. So i-turbo natin to. We are gonna be installing a GREDDY button turbo kit. So before installing it, we want to see how much power it has stock. Alright guys, first impressions sa stock na BRZ. A lot more torque sa lower RPM papunta sa mid. It's a lot quicker than the FA20, the older model. Yung brakes niya okay din, nothing special kasi syempre stock pa eh. We're gonna install a GREDDY turbo kit dito sa 2023 BRZ. So we're on the way sa dyno. Check natin yung baseline numbers. It's not a fast car to drive, pero it's a fun car to drive, especially sa mga winding roads, sa track. Kasi once you keep on adding mods, suspension, brakes, exhaust, intake, kahit NA lang, I think yung mga na-tune na ganito around 200 plus wheel horsepower na eh. So plenty of power, enough power para doon sa kotse. Pero para sa mga gustong highway runs, fun run, this is not fast enough. So you're gonna need a lot more horsepower, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turbo this brand new, ilan mileage na to, like 878 kilometers. Let's try the third gear pull. Okay din, a lot more torque than the old car, than the older version. Mas gising siya sa mid-range tsaka ilalim. So I cannot wait to see kung anong numbers niya sa dyno with the turbo. Malalaman natin in a few days. So dito na kami sa dyno. So we're gonna do a baseline run of the BRZ. May nakasalang pa ba?
Oh, meron pa.
Sino? Sino yan? Si Leo?
Si Leo.
Sige, singit na lang ako.
Yung sasakyan din yan, sinalang niya eh.
Okay, ay yung Lambo?
Hindi, yung Honda.
Okay, okay, o sige.
Sayang, oh.
What's up, Paps? Ay, malita.
Akala ko STI ka lang.
Subaru to ah. Dyno time. Ha?
Ito, sunod na lang.
Oh, meron pa ba? Ah, tatanong kayo Leo. Dyno ka na ba? Dali. Boss. May dyno ka pa ba?
Oh, basic.
Kasi naman ako, 3 run lang ako.
Sige.
Sige.
Ayan mo na, sir.
3 run lang ako. Tut. Simingit lang tayo sa dyno. Wow. Parang ang lakas, sabit ang lakas niyan.
Lakas ba?
199 wheel. That's a fucking good number. And it's not lean. Lakas ha. Let's do it. Let's do another run. Second run. So first run was 199. That's a fucking lakas ah. So tignan natin. 203 wheel horsepower. Lakas nito ah. Ang lakas nito ah. Ala, final run tayo sa baseline. Lakas ha, 206. Ilalim ng BRZ. So we removed the oil pan kasi I read it online din na nagkakaroon ng issues to sa nagkakaroon ng clog yung oil pickup, yung strainer, but I don't know how to. Yeah, there you go, you see. Ayan o, pununo siya ng ano, ng sealant. So when they put too much when they're building the engine, and ayan o, I don't know if you can see it. Pero we'll take it out and show you the video. So medyo madaming nakabara dito. Tanggal natin. Oh, see? All clear. Fuck. Siguro mga 80% black because of this. Pucha. Subaru, why you do this? Puta. So guys, this is how much RTV Silicone is stuck on the oil pickup strainer of this brand new car. So sobrang dami, you know. So a tip to everyone who has the new generation BRZ and 86, it's very urgent that you check this and address the issue, because if you get oil starvation problems, it will fuck up your engine. So most common na mangyayari is rod knock. So iikot yung bearing, nasisira, and you have to take out the engine and spend a lot of money. So yun.